Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, subscribe to the channel. It might help you to fix everything, and I'll be very happy if I help you to do so. Today we'll try to fix the misfiring on this Opel Astra Vauxhall 1.4 16 valve engine, but the same principles are going through all of the petrol engines. So when we press the accelerator pedal all the way in, suddenly, not like a little bit, but to the floor, it got hesitation, it doesn't rev, it's a bit laggy. So let's see, I'm pressing now, and you can hear that now, just so it's even dropping, the RPMs are dropping a little bit. If I press like a little bit, it's okay, but if I press suddenly all the way in, you got hesitation, and you can also hear it. I don't know if you can hear the engine. So if you look at my feet, I'll press all the way in and you'll hear. So we're gonna replace the spark plugs on this engine, and we're gonna see if this fixes the problem. Let's stop the car, wait for it to cool down a little bit. I've got everything prepared. I'm using aftermarket plugs. It's one of these. Inside are Bosch. So the way you remove the spark plugs from this Vauxhall is there is a coil pack sitting on top. I got 4 bolts and a connector. You undo the bolts and you just pull the coil pack out. You can have a look at the coil pack to see any damage, any crack. Have a look at this as well. So, and what you need is 10mm socket for spark plugs, and just undo them. I'll just need my both hands. You can have a look at the old spark plugs. They actually don't look that bad. I was thinking it's Bosch inside, but apparently they have been changed at some point. I don't know when. They don't look that bad. Made in Thailand. I'm gonna put these made in France AGK. The model number is also different. Well, that's what they give me at the shop. So just see. Let's compare the difference. What is it? Can't really say. Okay, let's drop them in, torque them, and see if it fixes the problem. So the spark plugs are replaced. I checked the difference. They're exactly the same, 0.9mm gap, and the thing is only the temperature, something like that, but they're pretty similar spark plugs. So let's see. You can feel a little misfire even from now. But it's a lot better now. You feel that? We need to give it a little bit of time to burn in, because if one of the cylinders haven't been working for quite a while with a misfire. So let's give it a little bit of time. The car is running on LPG right now. It feels a lot better. Still have like a little bit of lag, you know, when I feel it, but it's not like dropping down. Yeah, it did drop down. Now the next move is replace the coil pack, or it might be the LPG conversion. Let's run it on petrol. Okay, let's see now. Oh, it's definitely the LPG conversion struggling, because now when I press the pedal it's instant. Yeah, no hesitation, and it's not even laggy. Starts straight away. Okay, well, that's how you can fix the misfire. It's not a coil pack, it is the LPG conversion that is a bit laggy, but on petrol is perfectly fine. That's how you can fix the misfire. Change your spark plugs. If it's still not okay, might be the coil pack. This coil pack is pretty expensive, so I don't want to change it if it's not the coil pack. But now it's working perfectly fine. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll be very happy to help you if you have any questions. Let's have a chat, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.